Today we are going to be doing a crown Dutch braid. It's kind of like a two-in-one because you can leave it as a normal braid or you can just wrap it around your head and put it on your crown. So we're going to start with taking the hair, just leaving out some bits like to leave as like loose little curls at the end. Just separate those. Your hair from about the corner from here to here, just about about 2 inches wide. Depends on how much hair you have, but this is how much I like to grab. Then split it into 3. You put one under the middle, and then for the second one that you put under the middle, you grab a piece of hair. You know what I mean? Put that on that side. Okay, so, and then from here you grab a piece and add it on and take it under the middle section. So, going from the top section, you grab, add it onto the top section and put it under the middle section. And then from the bottom, you grab a piece, add it to the bottom section and put it under the middle section. And that is how you Dutch braid. So you just continue this all the way down. Grab an elastic and tie the end. You can do this at the end, but I like to do it here sometimes. So you can pull out the braid just to fluff it up a bit, and then take the braid and sit it around your crown. Start grabbing bobby pins, and the little secret is if you put them in between the braid, 1, you can't see them as much, but 2, they